friends, Running Kimono here. So the store that we're going to go to is Ulta, and this is a really good deal to get some stuff to pamper yourself on the very, 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 very cheap. This is just a great deal any way you look at it. How long these rebates are going to be around, it is unsure of at this time. It is using the Shopkick app, and I do apologize, I don't have a referral link or a code or anything like that for you guys. Just go to the App Store and download the Shopkick app if you wish to participate, and obviously double, triple check that you have the same rebates as I, because you don't want to get into some trouble. And also, I used a Fetch Rewards gift card to pay for this. I used a Fetch Rewards Ulta gift card, so I didn't really have to open up my wallet. So if you go to the Ulta section of the Shopkick app and just say, like, what are the rebates? Check this out. This is a lot, and this is crazy because it's kind of awesome. You're going to get a lot of products really cheap. Now for the 4 items that I'm going to grab, the Nair, the Maui shampoo, the Aveeno makeup wipes, and then the OGX shampoo. If you add up all that together, it's 6,400 Shopkick points. And you get extra little points for scanning stuff in the store, but I didn't include it. But basically, guys, this is $25.60 for buying those 4 products, which is the equivalent, just like, how do you get this math? 250 Shopkick points is $1. So like, oh my gosh, and then just roll a gift card, IBOTTA, Shopkick, Fetch Rewards, if you might have it, so you're really not paying for this one out of pocket, but it's really, really great. Now, if you just Google, or you can use a screenshot of this if you wish, just write Ulta coupon. They have a $3.50 coupon off of 15, and to maximize this coupon, what you're going to do is do 2 transactions. And all these products for $8.99, which is kind of silly and goofy. But 2 products for $8.99. Scan this. Scan your gift card if you might have it, or pay the cash. And you are going to be in business to pay a lot less. So you're going to get $7 of savings if you break it up into 2 transactions. Now, if you have never been to an Ulta store, maybe ask an employee to help you find this little laundry list of products. Bring it to the front and open up the Shopkick app and scan the barcodes to see if you're grabbing the right products, because you'll get like 15 kicks per product. This is the OGX shampoo. They had so many of them, $8.99. And then it's Aveeno. It's this specific one with the blue banner, Common Restore. The makeup wipes that are $8.99 are part of it, and it is the cheapest product. So everything $8.99, which is kind of weird, but that's the pricing over there. Okay, so looking at the mathematics, my OGX shampoo and my Aveeno wipes at $8.99 a pop. That's $17.98 for the 2. Got the cashier to scan the $3.50 off of 15 coupon right off my smartphone. My new total is $14.48, not including my tax. And then I made a submission for 3,150 points for the Shopkick app. So it's basically $12.60. So like $1.80 something and change for 2 products. Yes. Okay, and then I grabbed a Maui shampoo. This was very hard for me to find in the store. I couldn't find it. So one of the nice employees actually walked me to the shampoo section, and then we found it together. It was on a bottom shelf. Like I probably walked by it 3 times. I just could not spot it. But there it is. I grabbed a shampoo. And then the Nair on the left-hand side, the pinky box. That is the sensitive one, $8.99 as well. Everything is $8.99. So here's the math for this one. 1 of Maui shampoo, 1 Nair at $8.99 a pop. That's $17.98. I got the cashier to scan the $3.50 off coupon when you spend 15. That scanned perfectly. So my total was $14.48. I had a gift card. The cashier scanned that as well. And then I made an application for 3,250 Shopkick points, which is exactly $13 on the nose. So I added all of this up, guys. I think it's like, before tax, like 88 cents per product or something very cheap. I'm going with 99 cents because I'm including some of the tax, just looking at it very quickly. But what a great deal, especially if you like these fancier things. If you might have like a Fetch Rewards, IBOTTA, or a Shopkick Ulta gift card to throw in here, like if you have the points or whatever accrued in your account, I mean, by all means use it so you're really not feeling this one out of pocket. But this is really nice to get all this stuff for like, really cheap. I'm really looking forward to trying all of these beauty products. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.